Good day, everyone. I am Demir Brain from BIT Electrical 2C, and now I'll be going to discuss this presentation entitled Navigating the Landscape, a review of related literature and studies. Why literature review matter? There are three types of literature review matter. First is context. Context is located to study within existing knowledge. The second is critique. Critic Critic is assess strengths, limitations, and biases. And the last is direction. Direction is inform research questions and methods. Defining our scope. There are four types of defining our scope. First is time frame. Last 10 years seminal earlier works include, and the second is disciplines. Disciplines interdisciplinary, theory, and empirical. And the third is focus. Focus is mechanisms, outcomes, and moderators. And the last is research question. Research questions is causal links, boundary conditions. Foundational theories. Theory A. Core assumptions and key propositions. Theory B. Mechanisms linking actors and outcomes. Integrative model. Bridges between competing frameworks.